Hello everyone, I am Professor P.M. Chogla, HOD, Department of Economics, SPM, HGS Arts and Commerce College, Madhbhavi. So friends, today I am talking on calculation of break-even point, which is popularly known as BEP. This problem solved by my guru and well-wisher Dr. M.G. Bangari sir, HOD, Department of Economics, Arts and Commerce College, Ilkal. Sir, thank you very much on behalf of all student friends and respected teachers. So let's begin discussion. Before going to discuss on calculation of BEP, let's understood what do you mean by BEP. So here it is a point of no profit and no loss. It is a point of no profit, no loss, or it is a point where TR is equal to TC. It is a point where TR is equal to TC. TR means total revenue equals total cost, known as break even point. Okay, so let us see the problem. It means calculate BEP from the following data. Datas are as under. First of all, fixed expenses, that is 60,000 rupees, and second one, selling price per unit, that is rupees 40, and third one, variable cost per unit, rupees 20. On this basis we will calculate the BEP. Got it? So here solution. This problem can be solved with the help of following equation. Equation, that is BEP is equals to TFC divided by SP minus VC. Whatever the variables used in this equation represent as BEP means break even point, and TFC means total fixed cost, SP means selling price per unit, and VC means variable cost per unit. Okay, let's substitute the datas into the equation. Suppose here TFC is what? 60,000, SP 40 rupees per unit, and VC 20 rupees per unit. So 60,000 put here, and 40 minus 20 equals 20, and then here 60,000 divided by 20 equals to 3,000. It become output. Then as per the above calculation, if the firm sells 3,000 units, then it has no profit and no loss. So this can be proved with the help of following calculation. So here, to prove the concept of no profit, no loss, we will use this equation. First of all, TR equal to P into Q. TR means total revenue equal to selling price into output. P means selling price into Q means output. Here put the datas into the equation. Equal to 40. 40 become selling price into 3,000 become output. Okay, so 40 into 3,000 equals to 1,20,000. Therefore total revenue is equal to 1,20,000. So this is become the TR of the firm. And let's move ahead. One more thing is to be understood, that is calculation of cost of output sold. Okay, so for to opt this, we have to apply the following equation, that is TC equals to TFC plus TVC. It means TC total cost equals to TFC means total fixed cost, plus TVC means total variable cost. So TFC is what already given, that is 60,000, and plus 20 means to opt TVC we have to use some sorts of the calculation, some sorts of the data here, that is 20. 20 is what variable cost per unit into 3000. 3000 is what output. So here 20 into 3000 equal to 60,000. Hence 60,000 plus 60,000 equal to 1,20,000. Therefore, BP is equal to TR equal to TC, or break even point equal to total revenue equals to total cost. So in this calculation, total revenue is what 1,20,000, total cost is what 1,20,000. Hence total revenue equals total cost. Therefore, by calculating above, it represents that total revenue equals total cost. Hence the firm has no profit and no loss. So the enterprise can think about how to maximize its total revenue in future. So by watching my video, thanking you, and friends, in future days, it means after 1 or 2 days, I am going to prepare the Kannada version of the same concept. So kindly be updated and be get subscribe to my channel to get the all updated videos. Thank you one and all.